Hi there! Yes, you, mommies and daddies, especially those with little kids. Did you know that we have a Casey Home Edition for you? Yes, in fact, we are on our fifth issue or Sunday. You may be asking, what is Casey Home Edition and why is it for me? The Casey Home Edition or Kids Central Home Edition is the response of our Sunday school to help parents in discipling their children during the pandemic, when our church services and Sunday school are put on hold. While we enjoy our online Sunday services as a family in the safety of our home, our little children often do not understand the preaching unless we, the parents, sit down with them and explain it in a way they will understand. This is where the Casey Home Edition comes in. Each Casey Home Edition is aligned with the message being preached every Sunday. It is downloadable, printable, and in a simplified language with concepts that our little children can understand. Each issue also comes with suggested activities you can do with your children. And you can do these any time of the week whenever time permits, not just Sundays. It's like bringing Sunday school home to your little ones. As parents, we are first and foremost the disciplers of our children. Let us make the most of this new normal in modeling and teaching our kids to love God above all. We'd love to see what your Casey Home Edition looks like. Don't forget to post on social media and use the hashtag KCHomeEd.